children, I'm Adya Ahuja and I'm a counselor. I'm here to talk to you all on this occasion of Doctor's Day. Are you still guessing why Doctor's Day is celebrated? Doctor's Day is celebrated to pay honor to the legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was born on the 1st of July 1882. An interesting fact that he also died on the same day, which was the 1st of July, at the age of 80. He was known as the Dhanvantari of modern era. Dhanvantari is the Hindu god of medicine. On this day of Doctor's Day, where we celebrate Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy's life, we also pay tribute to doctors and we offer them our respect. We are now going to talk about how you can pay tribute to the doctors in your own way. So let's talk about how life is these days at home. Are you missing your friends? Do you miss going out to play? Do you also miss your school and your teachers? While you stay at home, you can pay tribute to all of these people, including doctors, while staying at home by doing some really teeny tiny routines that you can do to incorporate your mind, your body, and your soul. You might have noticed your parents, adults, and all your family members talking about a virus. It's called the coronavirus. It's taking around of the world. It's causing pain and disease to a lot of people around the world. But what is a virus? A virus is a teeny tiny germ that can get inside your body and cause a lot of harm. But do you know what? This virus cannot do anything if it is only outside of your body. So what should we do? We should stop this virus from getting inside our body. What all do you think that you can do while you do this? You can stop the virus from getting inside your body by some simple routine. What you can do is you can start by washing your hands. When you wash your hands, you have to make sure that the dirt between your fingers and inside your nails are clean. Let me give you a quick tip to do that, because you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds. What you all can do is pick up a poem that you like or a rhyme, or just sing the ABC, and there you go, your hands are absolutely clean. Dear children, I hope you're enjoying your holidays, but I'm sure that for some time you must be feeling bored as well. I've got a solution for you. To make sure that you understand the importance of washing hands, I have a really cool experiment for you. Let me show you what is the importance of soap. So gather all that you need. So now that you have a shallow dish, some pepper, soap and water, just take some water and pour it in the dish. Sprinkle some pepper. The pepper is depicting the dirt on your hands. So if you see that I have nothing on my finger right now, and I will put this here and nothing will happen to the pepper. Probably only some pepper is stuck to my hands. Now let me take some soap on my hand and rub it on my finger and then see the magic. You see? You see how the pepper has gone to the sides of the bowl? You see how the soap on your hand could make sure that all the dirt which was pepper here in the bowl shifted away to the side and nothing got stuck on your hand. The reason is that soap helps you clean your hands and make sure that no dirt or germs, and today in these times the virus is not stuck to your hands. So you now know the importance of washing hands. Go, come on, wash your hands and sing your favorite rhyme with it. Also, try to keep your hands away from your face, which means that the hands cannot be rubbing your eyes or your nose or your mouth. This way you will ensure that the germ and the virus is completely out of your body and you are safe. Another technique that you can keep in mind to protect your mind, body, and soul is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 technique. Let's see what this technique is all about. 5. You have to have minimum of 5 servings of fruits and vegetables in your daily routine. 4. You have to practice at least 4 minutes of meditation. You can do mantra chanting or anything that you like. You can also go in for yoga. 3. You have to have 3 structured and balanced meals throughout your day. 2. You have to include only 2 or less than 2 hours of screen time in your day, which means no video games and very less of TV. 1. You have to make sure that you incorporate 1 hour of physical exercise in your daily routine. And 0. 0 means nothing, which means 0 amount of very little or almost no amount of sugar and sweetened drinks in your routine. While your parents have a lot of work at home to do, you have some time that you can take out for them, and your support will be huge for them in this time where even they are struggling to be comfortable and make you comfortable at the same time. Let's see what you can do. You can try to manage to water the plants for them. What you can also do is just maintain your own bed and your own room. What you can also do is set the table for dinner or just for lunch. When the food is ready, you can lay the table for all your family members and you can enjoy a wholesome meal together. Remember the 3 structured meals that you are supposed to have every day. After you finish your meal, do not forget to put your plates back in the sink. You see how keeping your room tidy, trying to maintain cleanliness around you for you and your family, maintaining decorum in the house, washing your hands, and making sure that you practice some easy and quick tips to find yourself in a better place throughout these times of the virus, you are going to see a difference, and your parents and your family is going to be much more relaxed seeing you so happy. I hope you enjoyed watching the experiment in the beginning, and I hope that when you do this worksheet, you will realize the importance of keeping your mind, body, and soul all integrated and together. I am extremely happy to be seeing you today, and I hope that you enjoyed as well. I hope that I get to see you another time. Wishing you a very happy Doctor's Day, and do not forget to pay homage and a lot of respect to the doctors and all the people who take care of you around you.